At John's farm, harvest 2024 stopped, began again, and repeated that pattern several times as showers, thunderstorms, and a bit of hail moved across the fields.
It's not a great harvest, but it's the best one I've had in 3 years, so thankful for that. The head of wheat normally has 4 rows of furrows up the head. And this year, there was actually 6 rows being formed on some heads. A lot of the heads had a lot of years, head of wheat will maybe only have maybe 25, 30 berries in the head of wheat. This year, some of those heads are topping 40 berries to a head of wheat, so that helps.
So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What a blessing.
No kidding.
Mother Nature gave several shorter workdays and restful evenings, as well as several opportunities to perform maintenance on the equipment, which proves to be helpful over the long haul. Repairs at the farm headquarters are surely easier than those tackled in the field. As drier conditions returned to Major County, John's farm embraced full swing harvest, including longer work hours and shorter nights, all which were expected, having experienced Oklahoma wheat harvest for over the past 50-plus years. Harvest involves family and friends, making the process all the more enjoyable for the Gosneys. Much to their delight, the president, their grandson, joined the crew this year. The young farmer gave his younger brother a crash course in combine operation, and within a day's time, he was operating the machine like a pro.
Blessed to have a grandson and a son-in-law come to help. Grandson that wants to farm, and son-in-law that comes to help. Means a lot.
Their youngest grandson, Dozer, was busy dipping up, wrapping up, and sacking up food for the crew. From mornings until late evenings, meals and snacks are prepared. Good help is hard to find, and at John's farm, they found the best.
Chris keeps us all going.
Experienced in operating this equipment, he keeps it running. Keeps everybody on the task, doing what needs to be done. Between jobs, he's figuring out what to do next. Experience and knowledge has gotten us where we are.
From last fall's planting seed to this summer's harvest, weather has thrown drought, heavy rain, late freeze, and hail at the crop. Sometimes there was wonder if there would be a harvest. What transpired through all this has been remarkable, especially the heads of wheat with 6 rows of grain, which the Gosneys have never witnessed before. It's both amazing and humbling to count the grains in a wheat head that has overcome numerous trials. As Harvest 2024 draws to a close, the rewards are many. Safety for the crew, few hiccups in the process, organic wheat in the bins. Blessed.